biggest takeaway that I personally got from writing Thirsty is things that are common to one person is not common to another. The things that are obvious to one person is not obvious to another. The particular chapter that I wrote early on in the book, introducing Robert, the security guard. I can't tell you how many conversations I've had with individuals since writing that and focusing in on the Roberts and having those conversations. The biggest nuggets that often leaders miss are the Roberts in the world. So to refresh your memory is Robert is a security guard that I meet early on, and he's walking me through the building, and we end up at the elevator, waiting for the elevator to come, and he knows why I'm there, and it's my first visit, and he looks at me and he says, "Things used to be different around here." We proceed to have the conversation, and he starts to unfold and unpack how things used to be and what he sees now. The Roberts are the ones that allow you to lean in and see every nook and cranny that you're just not seeing that's not so obvious. So conversations that I have with leaders are, do you know who your people are? Do your leaders know the team members that see things and watch things, but maybe don't say things because nobody's ever asked? My personal takeaway is making sure that every single client I work with, we talk about who are your Roberts, and we unleash very quickly what's really going on behind the scenes and every nook and cranny, and really be able to take a look behind the curtain quickly because that's often missed. That's the biggest takeaway. I need to share that more, and I'm sharing that with you now, and I share it in the book.